In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload Canva templates to your Wix website. If you're looking to seamlessly integrate your designs onto your site, you've come to the right place. Let's dive in and make this process as smooth as possible. First, we'll start by heading over to Canva. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in Canva's website, or by simply clicking on your bookmark if you have it saved. Once you're on the Canva homepage, you'll see a plethora of design options. Take your time to browse through and choose a template or design that best suits your needs. Whether you're looking for something bold and colorful or sleek and minimalistic, Canva has got you covered. After selecting your desired template, you'll want to look towards the upper right corner where you'll find the Share button. Clicking on this will open up several sharing options. But don't worry, you're not going to be sharing this on social media. Instead, look for an option that reads See All, which will reveal even more ways you can use and share your design. Now, you'll need to focus on the Embed option. Clicking on Embed will generate an HTML code specifically for your Canva design, tailored for embedding purposes. Next, you'll see an option to copy the HTML embed code. Clicking on this will copy the necessary code to your clipboard, and this is what you'll need to transport your Canva template to your Wix site. It's time to shift gears and head over to your Wix website editor. Once there, you'll begin by clicking on the Add Elements option, usually on the left-hand side of the screen. This opens up a variety of features that you can incorporate into your site. Among these options, you will see Embed Code. Click on it and then select Embed HTML. This will open a space for you to input your HTML code. Go ahead and paste the HTML embed code that you copied from Canva into this space. Just click inside the box and use a paste function, often Ctrl+V for most computers, or you may right-click and choose Paste. Ensure that you check the preview to confirm that your template appears as it should. Adjust any settings if necessary to make it fit perfectly on your site. The final step is to click on Update. By doing this, you secure your changes and your Canva template will be embedded directly into your Wix website. This update allows your design to be visible and accessible to your viewers, and you can now enjoy your customized look that stands out. And there you have it, a simple way to upload your Canva templates to your Wix website. Thank you for watching, and happy designing.